everyone. I am Stephanie Palomar Market from BSIE 1A. So, I will tackle about the dead bug series exercise. So, dead bugs exercise, it involves laying on your back with your arms extended toward the ceiling and your knees bent at 90 degrees. You then lower the opposite arm and leg toward the floor while keeping your lower back pressed against the ground, mimicking the way a dead bug might look if laying on its back. So, dead bug exercise is muna siya ang kanang maglay ka sa imong back sa ground. So, dapat imuhang knees is mabend siya at a 90 degree. Nya ang imuhang and kanang lower sa arm og leg kay makuan siya keeping your while kanang opposite siya ang arm og ang leg sa pag kanang sana movement to the proper form and breathing pattern. So naaso jud siya kanang proper siya nga pag-form o pag-breathe sa kuan while exercising. Yeah. When doing the dead bug exercise, keep your lower back flat against the floor. So, while doing the aning exercise, dapat imong lower back is flat jud siya. Flat siya sa ground or sa floor. Yeah. To keep or to avoid placing too much stress on it. And keep your abdominal muscles tight. So, dapat i-keep nimo ang abdominal muscle nimo to tight para walay break nga makuan sa imong muscle. And breathe out as you lower your leg and extend your arms. So, dapat yun day nga kanang nadyo day ni siya proper breathing. So, dapat mo breathe out ka if ang imong lower leg kay imong leg kay nasa lower, and also kanang mo breathe sad ka og ang arm nimo kay na-extend siya and hold them parallel to the floor. Breathe in as you return to the starting position and then switch. So mo breathe ka as kanang mo balik ka or mo return ka sa first or starting position nimo and then switch side. And that's our topic all about the dead bug series exercise.
Benefits of dead bug exercise. First, improves core stability, strengthens deep core muscles like transverse abdomens, rectus, and obliques. Second, enhances coordination because you move opposite limbs simultaneously. It improves neuromuscular coordination and body awareness. And last, support a healthy lower back because it reduces lower pain by promoting better spinal alignment and posture.